for you. Going to the moon.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Cool Card, and I'm just coming on here real quick to give you a quick tip. Everyone out here has a cell phone now, and everyone's looking for the best and inexpensive coverage, you know, for drops, spills, steals, all that good stuff on your phone, right? Well, not really good stuff, but you know what I mean. So I just came across something real cool that you might like. A lot of people use credit cards. Some people don't use credit cards, but here's a good incentive to use a credit card. I just got wind that there are several credit cards issued through Wells Fargo Bank that will give you cell phone warranty coverage on your phone as long as you pay your bill with the credit card that's issued to you. And all of these Wells Fargo cards, because there's about a good 9 of them, I believe, 8. As long as you pay your bill, they cover you up to $600 in damages. And you only pay a $25 deductible. There's also, I think, 2 cards from First Bank that will cover you up to $500, but there's a $50 deductible. And there's also one from US Bank that will cover you up to $600 with a $25 deductible too. So, y'all check that out. Real quick tip, not gonna hold you too long, but you might want to check that out because it just makes sense. If you pay your cell phone bill, they'll cover you in warranty, and you'll save a couple bucks. You don't have to pay a warranty bill every month. Coverage, you know, eliminate that bill. Just pay your phone bill with the card. Y'all get out of here. I'll see y'all next time. It's cool, y'all. Peace.
Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket. Girl, you know